and welcome. Today at the Velvet Feed, we are going to be talking about goodbye boots for 2023. So for me, I'm excited because I have got myself a pair of Chelsea boots, and I particularly like Chelsea boots because this is one that's going to last the test of time. So it's just not a trend that comes in and comes out. It's one that's going to stick around.
It was big last year as well, really big. The chunky ones were really big as well.
So I'm not such a fan of the chunky ones because I think that kind of like dates the boots. So where I'm going to spend money, I'm going to spend money on something where it's not going to be so dated. So no one's going to look at you and think, oh, you're still rocking those 2019 boots.
I don't agree with her, by the way.
Well,
I
for
love
me,
a chunky.
No, for me, I think a chunky will come in and come out, but I think with something that's more classic, it will last the test of time and therefore be a good buy. So
what do you guys think?
For me, I think chunky Chelseas,
I love a chunky Chelsea, and I've seen so many celebs rocking them and dressing them in such a good way.
Yeah.
Check out our Instagram page,
saying,
actually. We've got some pictures of some chunky Chelseas and some classic Chelseas.
Yeah.
So you can decide which ones do you prefer.
Yeah, I'm not saying that the chunky Chelsea isn't good. I'm just saying for me, because I'm more astute financially, and when I'm going to spend my money, I want it to be on something that's going to last and that I can wear a couple of years, and it's not going to be like dated. People are not going to know that, you know, I've been rocking the same boot for like 10 years. And yes, I have done that. But these boots, the Chelsea boots, these are called the Glacier, and they're from Russell and Bromley. I think that they're going to last the test of time because they're also giving me sort of like those cowboy boot vibes, you know, just the way of the top of it is shaped, and I also think it's got that feminine feel to it because it's got the gold zip and it's got the gold chain around it. It is a little bit more pricey, but I do think that this will last, and the luxury part of it is that it's got the sheepskin inside, so it's going to keep you nice and warm, guys.
I like them, but I'm not the best fan of it. But we have styled them on our Instagram. Nicola's wearing them, so check out to see how she styled her ones. And I'll put my ones on there as well. But you did mention something when you were describing them, the cowboy boot.
Cowboy boot.
I love a cowboy boot. And they are big. Big for 23. They were big in 2022, but 2023, they're big again, and then they're back. I love a cowboy boot because they're good in the winter and good in the summertime.
I do like a cowboy boot, but I have to admit I have never bought a cowboy boot. And the reason is I can't get over the way it's shaped. It looks like my leg is just like dangling in it. I just don't like that. I don't.
With a bit of jeans, it's
no,
nice.
and I don't like.
I think is it the gap you don't like?
Yeah, I don't like the big gap. See, my legs are sort of slimmer, and I just don't like the fact that my leg, there's so much gap around my leg. I like something that's, you know, a bit more tighter, a bit more closer to the skin.
Cowboy boot though, I think.
It is.
You can get the long ones as well and the short ones. I've seen a really nice pair of the short ones from Vivienne Westwood. They are really nice. She got it in black. I'll put a picture on our Instagram page so you can check it out. She got it in black and she got it in a brown. Vivienne Westwood. We talk about Vivienne Westwood. We love her. It was so sad to hear her passing. But yeah, check out her boots on our Instagram page.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind buying one just to honour Vivienne Westwood, but otherwise.
But there's others. No. There's so many other different cowboy boots you can get. High end and high street as well.
Yeah. So cowboy boots, I think is a good buy. Yeah, I think they're a good buy because you can rock those. Yeah, as long as you're not buying some like metallic cowboy boots or something like that.
No, metallic. You said metallic, guys. Metallic is big for 2023. They are big for 2023.
Yeah, but I'm not a fan. Sorry, I'm not a fan of metallic.
Them, but they do remind me like party season. I haven't bought one. I don't think I will, but I do like them. But if I was to buy it, it would only be for like Christmas or
Exactly.
something like that. So it wouldn't be good for me, but I do love them.
No, so that's the thing. I'm not going to buy something where I'm just going to wear it just for Christmas and that's it. It goes in the back of the wardrobe, and then I have to do that whole clear out of my shoes. So I'm now focusing on more classic key pieces that are as good quality, is going to last a test of time.
Year in, year out.
Yeah, with the metallic boot, you know, it's got its place, but I won't be spending my money on that because I don't think it's going to last that long in respect to the trend and you being able to wear it, you know, time and time again. I think it's got its time and place. Yes, it's big, so if you want to go out and buy a pair, sure.
What do you guys think? Let us know what you think about the metallic, or if you've got any that you've bought and purchased, please drop us a little comment in our Instagram page, because we got some pictures on there as well you can check out about the metallic boot.
Yeah, I want to see how other people rock their metallic
tag
boot.
tag us in your boots, tag us all your boots that we've mentioned, tag us in on our Instagram page. Yeah.
Do you know what I would buy in respect to thigh high?
What are we saying? Metallics in or out?
The metallics are in respect to its big trend, but it's not a good buy for me. I'm saying not a good buy.
I agree this time. I agree.
I mean, if you think it's a good buy, let us know why. But for me, no.
I'm stroking.
She's stroking her thigh high. That sounds so raw.
Thigh high.
She's stroking her bit. You can hear her stroking leather.
Thigh high boots.
No.
It's in. Thigh high boots have been in for years, to be fair, but it came out really big last year. But 2023, you're going to see a big surge of these, summer and in the winter fall. These are great. These are my fave. These are new, actually. Well, last year. I bought them last year in a sale.
New last year?
Well.
See, that's the thing. Like, if you can buy a pair of boots that is going to last a couple of years, then I think it's a good buy. So with these, they are nice. Yes, I would buy a pair of thigh high, but not. I'd buy one with like a stiletto heel or a thinner heel. I wouldn't really buy the chunky. No, I don't think that. I like things where it's more sort of like feminine or more elegant, and it's more like dressy. If I'm going to go for a thigh high, I'm going for sexy vibes. So I don't really want like a flat thigh high. But you know, each their own. But for me, I would say thigh high boot. Yes, it is a good buy. This is going to last the test of time if you choose the color correctly. And the reason why I mentioned that is because I want to talk about the python, the python print. A python print in thigh high would look
I've seen them a lot.
sexy.
Last year, summer last year, I saw them a lot. The thigh high python boot, and they're back again.
Yeah,
they're back again. 2023.
Yeah.
They're back again, guys. So if you bought one, keep them. Bring them back out because they're big for 2023.
Yeah.
I don't know if I haven't got one. I don't know if I'll purchase one.
It won't be long till she gets one.
Probably. But check out my Instagram page. You probably see me in some.
Yeah, guys. So that is it for today. I think that. Sorry, excuse my alarm that's going off.
Oh my gosh.
But that is it for today. Let us know what you think is a good buy. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, like, comment in respect to YouTube. Check us out on Instagram. Let us know what boot that you're going to be buying or you've already bought and that you think is a good buy. But that's it for us.
See you.
We'll see you next time. Bye.